Line Racioppi Combo Set for Weak Hair. Line Racioppi Combo Set for Weak Hair. Line Racioppi Combination Set for Weak Hair. Energizing Shampoo for Weak Hair. 33.8 fluid ounces. Its formula is rich in oligo-elements, herb extracts, and vegetal proteins that help restore strength and vitality to fine and weak hair. 2. Invigorating Treatment F250 ml 16.9 fl. Oz each hydrating, toning and nourishing treatment that helps restore equilibrium and protect the scalp, leaving it clean and dandruff-free. Its rebalancing action restores health and vigor to all hair structures. Perfect for sensitive scalps and ideal for frequent use. Finish Cream 1000 ml 33.8 ounces. This softening after shampoo treatment gives back vitality, volume, and brightness to the hair. Lotion 125 ml 4225 Line Racioppi Crystali 3.38 ounces fluid crystal with linseed oil. Cosmetic Beauty Care. Its greasy-free texture leaves a pleasant softening film on the hair, improves its structure leaving a soft and shiny look. It is ideal for chemically fretted hair. It gives a silky look on fine hair and shine on straight one. Does not leave heavy or lank hair. AJ Professional Shampoo. Hair Brush Color, Blue Hair Type, All Hair Types. Professional Hair Brush. AJ Professional Shampoo Brush, massaging bristles to create an intense shampoo lather for your hair. AMC Black Novelty Mafia Comb Gun. Great novelty item for the gun collector in the family. It was given as a stocking stuffer at Christmas time. ANDI Rose Hair Combs Clips Wedding Bridal Crystals Rhinestone. This is a really beautiful barrette, the picture doesn't do it justice. Plus, the seller is beyond great, so nice and accommodating. I will definitely be ordering more items from them in the future. Crazy K&A Mini Charming Rhinestone Tiara Crown Headband Comb. I got this for a costume and it's perfect. I expected at this price that the tiara would be very cheaply made, but it's not. Very solid, metal not plastic, and it was nicely packaged so it wasn't damaged in the shipping process. YS Park 332 Quick Cutting Grip Comb Carbon. YS Park 332 Fine Wide Tooth. This comb is perfect for those of us who balance the visual with the technical. Wide teeth allow you to comb the hair around and see how your shape is developing, and the fine teeth allow you to have taut even tension while cutting. The special sectioning tooth ensures clean, precise partings every time. This comb is the perfect choice for precision razor cutting. Wide teeth are also ideal when less tension is desired and for dry cutting and refining your cuts after blow drying. Heat and chemical resistant. Length 7.25 available in carbon. Crazy K&A Woman and Girl Small Wave Shape Rhinestone. The sparkle factor is amazing. An instant heirloom piece with classic romantic style and elegance, fit for a princess. The tiara has pin loops for added security while you are dancing the night away on your special day. Please visit my other items. I hope you will find something special and beautiful. Thank you for your visiting. Wedding is one of the most important moments in the life of every girl. You see yourself in the most beautiful dress, jewelry in your dreams. Everything has to be perfect. The most important thing for you to try to realize your deepest desires. Rhinestone Handmade Hair Accessories. Happy to offer the most beautiful wedding hair accessories, to make you feel the most beautiful bride. Handmade. The unique wedding crown is an original design completely handmade by Rhinestone direct. Each beautiful hand-wired headpiece with high-quality crystals and beads. Such gorgeous and detailed bridal headpiece. It's extremely flexible so you can wear it in so many different ways. Olarmo Natural Wide Tooth Peachwood No Static Massage Hair. This product has turned out to be very useful, although not for the reason I thought. I bought 6 of these, thinking I'd have one everywhere I needed it. However, the teeth were a bit too fine for my purpose. However, it turns out that the wooden comb does not pick up static electricity, so it's turned out to be extremely useful as a comb for the cat's brush. Since the wood does not collect static electricity, it makes cleaning out the wire brush we use on the kitty very simple and quick. You like to Petunia Multifunction Easy Magic Comb Stretchy Beaded Hair. I already have several of these from way back when my hair was really long. Now, even though I wear my hair fairly short, the sides always want to fall down in my face. So I decided to use them again. I completely forgot how to put them in. Finally figured out that I needed to pull the hair back, put a pin in it, then put the combs in, and now I can pull my hair back and it looks nice, even dressy. Going to invest in more. Banana Clip by Hairzing Double Comb for Thick. I love this thing. My hair is very thick and very coarse. The Hairzing holds it all. No pinching or pulling. It will stay in and hold my hair all day. That alone is wonderful. When I take it out, there's no crease or kink in my hair. No visible sign to tell it's been pulled back and held that way for hours. It costs more than other hair gadgets, but it works so much better than anything I've ever used. I'm 63 years old and I've used almost everything out there. I have 2 of these. I'll be getting my 3rd one soon. There's so many colors and styles to choose from. Master Panda Handmade Natural Green Sandalwood Hair Comb. And this is a great comb. It really has met and exceeded my expectations. The comb is lightweight, but thick and sturdy. It is the perfect size to fit in my pants pocket, and the teeth feel like a massage when making contact with my scalp. I've combed my hair more in the past 2 hours than I have in the past 2 years. Anyone looking for a nice comb to carry with them on the daily, this is it. Remedio's colorful rhinestoned wedding flower girl tiara kids crown. Very cute. Perfect to add to a bun of your little ballerina. My niece is definitely going to love this. It will make her feel like a princess. Mafia Mini Silver Shining Rhinestone Tiara Crown Hair Comb. Will be using for a baby shower mom, perfect size and super cute. Goody Sabrina 7 Banana Clincher Hair Combs. Goody is the world's most recognized manufacturer of hair styling tools and accessories and has been making hair look fabulous for over 100 years. Goody provides consumers with products inspired by the latest designer trends so they can enjoy style with value and create any look with ease. UN Ever 2-Pack Natural Jade Hair Comb Brush Head Scalp. I am not sure I am using in the correct method as no directions, however, I do know they make the scalp feel great and do not tangle the hair in process. These are not flimsy, so looks like they will last a long time.